afternoon, wonderful people. My name is Kirk Francois, and you're tuned into Kirk Knows PV, Real Estate and Lifestyle, where I help Canadians and Americans buy, sell, and live better in Puerto Vallarta. Today, we are here in the Alta Vista neighborhood. We're going to take a tour of this gorgeous unit at 480 Jacarandas. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath plus flex condo, which measures 144 square meters, which is roughly 1,552 square feet. The asking price is 675,000 USD. And sitting here on the rooftop, let me tell you, it is absolutely peaceful. It's tranquil. You're immersed in nature. It's such a great feel. Wonderful common areas for you to take advantage of. There's a pool with views to the ocean. It's absolutely exceptional. Now, that's just the rooftop. The unit itself is absolutely done extremely well. There's marble floors, granite countertops. It's well constructed. It's like the design interiorly is amazing. And there's another key factor that makes this unit stand out, which is the fact that there's a lockup. Now, if you don't know what a lockup is, this allows you to section part of the home as its independent unit. So you can, for those that are interested in investment terms, you can have a separate unit that you can rent out, or that could be an in-law suite. There's endless possibilities with that. So without further ado, let's get into the video so you can see for yourself why this unit is so special. All right, let's do it. Welcome to Unit 3 at 480 Jacarandas. As we walk in, we got this little space that's kind of like a lobby. But what I mentioned earlier, where this has a lockup feature, this is what I'm talking about. So this door takes you to the primary. As you can see, there's an additional smart lock, but you have a separate entrance so that if you want to rent it out or have guests and have their own entrance, that's possible through this door, which they've taken the liberty of numbering as B. So this serves as a 1-bedroom, 1-bath unit. So let's take a look. Right away, you can see the details in the finishing. You got not granite, but you got marble walls, encased glass shower. You got your walk-in closet. So it's very nice for a guest unit or a rental unit at that. All right, so let's walk into the unit itself. So you got a small kitchen. So it serves much like a hotel room. You got a little kitchenette. You could even set up if you choose to, but that's all the essentials. This would be great for rental as well as for guests. Now, one thing that I'd like to mention, you got very high ceilings. I would say it's about 11 feet high. So it makes the room feel a lot larger. And then you also have terrace. Now from the terrace, you have gorgeous mountain views, which will look quite different once the rainy season hits and everything becomes back in full bloom. So you have that as well. Now this terrace wraps around to the primary suite, but we'll take a look at that on its own on the way back in through the unit. All right. One thing I want to mention, you do have central air, and let's take a look into the primary living space. So this is condo number 2, essentially. Right away, you have another full bathroom, again with the really nice finishes, You got dual shower heads, one from the ceiling, marble walls and flooring. And just behind here is the washer and dryer setup. Okay, so it's on tandem. And as we walk, take a look at the kitchen. Very nicely done. White granite countertops. You got a stove and oven combination, dishwasher, which comes in handy. Not something that is really popular in Mexico, but you definitely have one here. And even from the kitchen, you have views towards the ocean. Now your living space, pretty large. You got really nice chandeliers. Again, with the high ceiling, it creates such a very spacious living area. And with all these windows, it brings in natural light and gives you views of the city. So you have this nice terrace, and they've chosen to put a lot of plants, which not only gives it a nice look, but also adds an additional layer of privacy. So you have that as well, without having to be intrusive with like a fence or anything like that. I'm gonna step outside so you can see what we're working with here. And you got a jacuzzi. All right, so let's take a look now at the other space. So this is the flex room. This can be, right now they're using as another bedroom, so to speak, but this can easily be used as an office or anything else that you have in mind. It has a nice pocket door, so pretty convenient. And just over here is the primary. So dual vanity. Look at the mirrors, very large. I mean, the details in here are fantastic. And from your shower, you got views towards the city center and as well as the ocean. Now, the bedroom itself, again, you have access to your terrace. You got these windows that allow for natural light. This is a very large king size bed, California king, to be exact. And you have your walk-in closet. Now, right now, the owner is using it as storage. So I'm not gonna zoom in on that, but that's just temporary for the moment. And of course, you have access to your chairs from here. All right. Now, with that being said, we've taken a full look at the unit, both bedrooms, and the one that can be used as a lock-off. Let's head to the rooftop so we can take a look at the amenities up there. As we exit the elevator, notice that there are two entrances towards the rooftop. I'm gonna go left. So there is a common area, a lot of lounge chairs. And this view is it's all worth it. Now you get full views towards the North Shore, center of the bay. You also get city views. I could see the cathedral, Our Lady of Guadalupe. and of course this mountain range. Keep in mind we're in or towards the end of our dry season, so it is pretty dry at the moment, but in a month or so when the rainy season starts, this profile, this mountain range will look completely different. It's going to be so green, luscious. It's like a rainforest, so you have the privilege of seeing mountain views along with your ocean views. Okay, so lots of space up here. And just on the other side, there's additional seating areas. There's a barbecue area as well where you can, I think it's charcoal barbecue, a couple of sinks, a lot of sitting areas. So this allows for you to entertain. And again, on this side, you're immersed in nature. In a month or so, this will look so much better, so much more full of life. But then over here, you have this additional seating area. And of course, you got your pool. So you got this nice dipping pool that is perched higher, which allows for you to sit and take in the view. Can you imagine spending your evenings here, watching the sunset, and then here in PV in the evenings, there are fireworks every single day. So you'll be able to see those as well from this vantage point. Also, want to mention that there is an outdoor shower right here, and also a bathroom shower area just right over here. So everything you need on the rooftop and more. Now that concludes our tour today here at 480 Jacarandas, Unit 3. As a quick recap, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath plus flex, which measures 144 square meters, which is roughly 1,552 square feet. The asking price is $675,000 USD. And as you saw, this is an absolutely gorgeous unit. It's been well done, it's furnished, and it pretty much has everything that you would need and more. The views from the bedrooms are incredible. Natural light throughout, and it has its own jacuzzi on the terrace. And on top of that, the lock-off feature, which is a definite bonus for those that are interested in investment terms or rental, or they want an in-law suite or guest suite. There's so much flexibility with this unit, and located in the Alta Vista, where you're super close to the romantic zone. So there's so many benefits of being here at this condo in this area as well. So for those that want to see this in person or virtually, contact me today. Details on screen. And until my next video, thank you for watching Kirk Knows TV Real Estate and Lifestyle. I'll see you soon.